In this video, I'll explain you about the OR function in Excel with examples. This is the small formula, but when it is used along with other formulas and functions, it is more useful. So you should know what is the use of OR formula so that you can combine it with other formulas and functions. In case you want to know about the AND formula or if and OR formula with wildcards, you can find the video links in the description below. Also, if you want to know about the new functions and formula, you can find the link in the description below. So let's start with the OR function in the Excel. So OR function is simple, equal to OR. You should have minimum 1 logic and maximum up to 255 logics or arguments in the OR functions. Let's say this one is greater than 100 or your cells is greater than 100. So in this case, all the arguments is not necessary to be fulfilled, either this argument or this argument. If any of the argument is getting fulfilled, you will get the result as true. If none of the argument is getting fulfilled, you will get the result as false. In case you want to add the text argument, then you have to give the text link equal to, and you have to start with the double quote. Not necessarily it will be the same capital letter or small letter. It is not case sensitive. It means you can type in any uppercase, lowercase, anything, that is fine for this OR function. And you have to close with the close bracket and hit enter. So you will get the result as true. So this is a small formula. Hopefully it is helpful for you. In case if you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section below. Please subscribe for the more useful videos. Thanks for watching.